Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine. In previous class, we learned about compare and order. Compare. When you having two numbers, how will compare the numbers, children? Suppose one digit is having one number is having 5 digits, another number is having 6 digits. So 6 digit number is having bigger number. So for second example, if you having same numbers digits, which is the big number? How will compare, children? Will start from the compare numbers from highest place value, from here left to right. Next, order the numbers. Suppose in how will order, children? If you have more than 3 numbers, see the order ascending and descending order. How will arrange the numbers, children? First we'll write the places, then we'll write these numbers in, arrange the numbers in according to place values, and we'll compare the we'll write in ascending and descending. So today our lesson is S4 Roman numerals. See, first starting the lesson, I'll show you, this is the clock, children. So what you observed here, children? What are these alphabets? Where do we use these numerals? See, these are Roman numerals. We use these numerals for writing classes, and we can see in the fancy clocks, and units of blocks. Okay, here we'll use these letters, and one thing, in Europe also they follow these systems. Now today we are going to learn about Roman numerals. For Roman numerals, we have to follow some rules. Which are that rules, children? How we'll use 0 to 1 to write the numbers? No, in our Hindu Arabic system, there are 7 basic symbols to write Roman numerals. These symbols and their Hindu Arabic values are as follows. I'll show you a table, children. Values of, this is our in Hindu Arabic numbers. These are Roman numbers. These are symbols. For 1, they will use I. For 5, V. For 10, X. For 50, L. 100, C. 500, D. 1000, M. There is no symbol for 0. Now I'll explain the rules. Rule 1. Repetition of a Roman numerals means addition. Once again I'll read, children. Repetition of Roman numerals means addition. For example, here 1 is repeating. What you have to do, children? We have to repeat means we have to do addition. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here XX is repeating. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Here X is 3 times. So how many times I have to write? 3 times 10 is equal to 30. C means 100. So 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Now some note, here note is there, children. Listen carefully. Here first one note is only I, X, C and M can be repeated. I, X, C, M can be repeated. B, L and D cannot be repeated. Which letters cannot be repeated, children? V, L, D. See, children, how will find which letters cannot be repeated? Here 5 is there, here 50 and 500. Wherever 5 is there, that letters cannot be repeated. V, L, D. Keep it in a mind, remember like this. Now, second note, no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, here 3 times we know we can't write x, 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 x for 40 children. Only 3 times we can repeat. So, next, rule 2. A smaller numeral written after a larger numeral means addition. Once again, I'll read the rule 2. A smaller numeral written after a larger numeral means addition. Here see children, example. Smaller number is written first and after the larger number. That means what you have to do? Addition. V means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now here 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. Here x means 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. Here x 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. L means here 50. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. L means 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 80. Next, rule 3. A smaller numeral written before a larger number, larger numeral means subtraction. Once again I'll read children. A smaller numeral written before a larger numeral means subtraction. See here, smaller number is written before a larger number. That means what you have to do? You have to subtraction. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. And 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Now one more note is there here children. B, L and D never be subtracted. That means B, L, D. Here also 5, 50, 500. These numbers never be subtracted with any letter. See next, 1 can be subtracted from V and X. 1 can be subtracted from V and X. Next note, X can be subtracted from L and C only. See here, X can be subtracted from L and C only. Okay, understood children? Next, rule 4. When a smaller numeral is written two larger numerals, then it is first subtraction, then addition. Rule 4 is what? When a smaller numeral is written two larger numerals, then it is first subtraction, then addition. Children, here this is a larger number, this is also larger number, in between smaller number is there. So what you have to do? First this letter as it is you write 10 plus this 5 minus 1. This number you have to subtract in 5 minus 1. So 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. So this answer is 14. Here 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Here 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Okay children. Now you have to follow these all rules for writing the Roman numerals. Suppose if you want to learn in a reader page number 12, rules for writing Roman numerals is there here. You have to learn, children, from this reader. Next, coming to workbook. Workbook. See, what is the first question, children, here in S4? Match the Roman numerals from column A with its Roman value from column B. See, first A1. See here, X means what, children? 10. 10, 10, 10. This is 9. Means 39. Match it, children, here 39. Here B1, L means 50. 53. This is 53. See, like this you have to match the following, children, in the workbook. These are easy numbers only. Now, which of these Roman numeral represent 168? Find out, children, in these 4 numbers you have to find which is the correct answer. Find out. Next, what should be the Roman numeral in place of star, so that CD star XXX 1x is equivalent to 489. This number is equivalent to 489, but one number is missing. Which number that is? You have to find out, children. That number I'll show you. Answer this. See, what is the number? CD star X X X 1x. This number is equal to 489, but one number is missing. So first, CD means is how much, children? CD means 400. How will D is a 500. So we are writing before small bigger number before small number. That means you have to subtract. Now these numbers are 39. X X X 1x is equal to 39. These two numbers added, children, 439. But 439, but this number is equal to 489. How will find this number, children? In 489, you subtract 439. So 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. So what is the value of here this star? Star value is equal to 50. Then we'll find, children, here that 50 equal to what, children, here? L. L is equal to 50. So C D L X X X 1 X is equal to 489. Okay, children. Hope all of you understood. Complete S3, S4. We'll meet in next class. Have a good day, children.